everyone, welcome to TryRide. This is Pack 365, myself Sujit. So today we are going to learn the remaining built-in method that are available in our list. Because in the previous session, we are already complete the half of the built-in method that are available in our Python. So the next means in this session, we are going to complete the remaining one. So the first one will be index built-in method. What is the use of this index, guys? Index is nothing but it will be find the index position based on our argument. Means if you are passing a argument means the substring, then it will be return the index position of that particular thing. So we can say that this is a method is used to give the index position of first occurrence element in a given argument. Okay, in a given argument. Then the return type of this index method will be return type is integer. Means every time if you are going to find the index position, because every time index position will be written a number only. That's why we can say that the return type of this index method is the integer. Then the syntax for this one will be variable name dot the index method. Inside that it will be taking the mandatory argument, that element means which element do you want to search, and it will be taking two more extra argument. Means if you are taking these two elements it's okay, if you are not even taking that it's okay. So it will be taking the starting index as well as your ending index also. Now we are going to see through an example. Okay, so I'll take one list. Inside this, I want to take the element just like that. Okay, here I am just taking, you try right also. Then I need to take some same, means the duplicate. Okay, I'll take like that. Okay, now my requirement will be, I need to find the index position of 11. So now if I'm going to run this one, the index of 1 I need to find. If I'm going to run this one, it will be not giving anything, because only in this expression I just will be performing some task, but I need to print that because the return type I want. The return type of this one will be integer. Now if I'm going to run this one, so it will be give me a index position. If you see, it will be give me 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'll pass 1. That's why it will be give me 0 is my output. If I'm passing 11, then in that case it will be give me the index position as 3. But if you see, there are 11, but it will be taking the first occurrence of that particular thing. Guys, now my requirement will be, if I'm giving a index value is the element that will not available in our list, then in that case what is my output? At that time my output is the error, because it will be telling that 111 is not available in the list. It will be throwing an value error in this method. Okay, then guys, if then the next one, now I need to specify some index position, because I know if I'm going to run this 11, it will be finding me in the 11. Now I want to set some index position, that I need to find this one. So now my requirement will be, I need to find this second occurrence. At that time I need to give 11, and here I know that it will be starting from 3, that's why I'm passing 4. Now if I'm give like that, okay guys, just see, now if I'm giving, so it will be give me the index position of this one. Now again I am giving the ending index will be 8. Okay, so 8. Now I'll take 6 only. Now if I'm going again, it will be give me the error, because my 6 index position up to the 1, but I want this one. So make sure that whenever you are going to search any element index position, make sure that that will be present in our existing list. If it will be not presenting, then it will be throwing an error. Okay, guys. Then the next method that will be count. So what is the use of this count? This method is used to give the number of occurrence of a given element. Means if you are taking a list, now my requirement will be I need to find how many times one will be there, how many times two will be there, just like that. Okay. So this method is used to give me the number of occurrence in a given element or in a given list. Okay, the return type will be integer, because if you see we need to find the count value, that's why it will be give me the return type as my integer. And for the syntax for this one will be variable name dot count of this element, means which element do you want to find. Now in this session, means in this example, we need to find the count of my guys. If I'm not printing that particular thing, so it will be not performing any operation. If I'm going to count the 11, then it will be only performing but not showing anything, because the return type will be integer. To, to saw the return type for this integer, we need to print that particular expression. Now, if I'm going to run this one, it will be give me the output as 2, because in this list, the 11 element will be present 2 times. Okay, guys. Now, guys, I can specify that if I want only one item, means I need to set the index position also. Now my requirement will be I need to specify the index position also. So here I am just using L dot count of 11. I need to start searching from the index position of 4. Now if I'm going to run this one, okay guys, just see list count will be taking one argument. You are giving two argument. So make sure that you cannot do like that. Okay. So it's always counting the entire element, whatever the element you are passing here. Means it will be not like your the previous one will be the index. Okay, if you are not, if you are passing any argument, then it will be throwing an error, because it will be taking one argument only. Okay, you need to cross check that. Means whenever you are going to start learning this Python carefully, then you can find your own question way, because if you're taking only one argument, means we can say that if you are not passing any argument, it will be throwing an error also. If you are want to check it also, I just see if I'm passing no argument, now I'm going to run this one, so it will be give me the error, because it will be showing that it will be taking exactly one argument. If you are not passing that particular exact, it will be throwing an error. Just like that, if you want to learn this Python very carefully, you need to practice your own way also. Okay, so the next method was, the next method is sort method. Okay, sorted method. Okay, what is the use of this sorted method is, guys, this method is used to arrange the similar type of data in ascending order. Means if you are taking a list, inside that you are only arranging the integer or floating value or string. Make sure that you need to pass the same data types. Okay, that's why this method is used to arrange the similar type of data in ascending order by default. If you want to change that particular thing, we are going to see in the next method. Okay, so the return type of this sorted method will be, okay, sorted method will be return type is list, because we need to sort that particular thing, guys, right? So the syntax for this one will be sorted. Okay, sorted inside that you need to pass the variable name. Means it will be different from this all the method that are discussing. Now I need to remove this one. So here I am passing some new value. I'll pass 12. Here I need to pass 0. I need to pass 420 and 999. Okay, now I need to sort this one. So I need to just performing and I need to print that particular because the return type will be list. So the certain method tell that the certain method so inside the parenthesis I need to pass the variable name. So in that time my variable name will be L. Now if I'm going to run this one, so it will be give me the output in my ascending order. If you see 0, 2 times 1, then 2, then 3, then 11, just like that. In the ascending order, it will be give me. Now my requirement will be, I need to reverse that. Means in the descending order, at that time you need to pass sorted of L. Here you need to pass a attribute called your reverse. If I give the reverse as true, means I want the descending order. Now if you see, it will be giving in the descending order only. Okay, guys, if you see, if I'm going to check this list ID and the existing, it will be creating in a new memory location. I just see I am printing L. Okay. So guys, just see I need to kill the terminal. Now if I'm going to run this one, guys, just see it will be give me in the existing, means it will be not affecting the original list. It will be only for the sort that particular thing for a particular operation. So if you want that particular ID also, you can check it once. Okay, guys, just see for this one also I need to check this ID. Okay, so I need to check before it's working. Okay, so I need to close this one. I need to check the, I just see it will be creating in a different memory location. So that's why we can tell that whenever we are using the sorted method, then it will be created in a different memory location. Okay, guys. Then the next one will be sort method. What is the use of this sort method? We are going to see now. Sort method. Okay, so sort method is, this method is used to arrange the similar data type element in ascending order in existing memory itself. Means inside the memory only it will be creating that particular thing. So this method is used to arrange the similar data type element to ascending, sorry, yeah, ascending order in the existing memory location. Okay, the return type will, but in this case the sort method return type will be none. So the return type is none. Okay, for the syntax will be variable name dot sort. Okay, you don't need to pass any argument here. Okay, now I just need to comment it out. Okay, so now I need to print that because the return type will be none, that's why I need to print. So my variable will be L dot sort. Now if I'm going to run this one, so it will be print me in the ascending order because the by default it will be printing me in the ascending. If you want to print in the descending order, here also you need to use the attribute called your reverse. Okay, sorry guys. I don't need to do that. I need to print because it will be affecting that particular things. Okay, because if I'm printing, then it will be give me the answer none because the return type will be none. Guys, just see, it will be changing that particular thing. If you want to see the particular memory location also, you can check it once. Okay. So yeah, I need to check the ID. Okay. So just see guys, every time I need to check before the sort method, after the sort method also. Guys, just see my first method means the list whenever it will be getting created at that time the memory location will be that. Now whenever it will be doing some expression at that time it will be created in a different memory location. After it getting created and it will be printing that, then again it will be go to the same memory. Okay, if you see both are having the same memory location. Okay, now if you want to in the descending order, you need to pass L dot sort. So we don't need to print that particular things. Okay, so directly I can pass L dot sort. Okay, L dot sort. Inside that you need to pass the extra argument called your reverse. So sorry guys, reverse attribute equal to true. Now if I'm going to run this one, it will be give me in the descending form. Okay, you can do like that also. Then the next, oh sorry, then the next method will be min method and our max method. Guys, min and max will be nothing but if you are taking a list, inside that the value will be present. So in the min, it is used to print the lowest value in a list, and for your max it will print it will print the high value in a list. Okay, how it going to happen we are going to see now. So I just want to comment it both of these. Now I just want to run that particular thing. How it going to happen? And every time, guys, it will be returning the number, means the integer type. And for the syntax will be, I need to type that particular things also. For the syntax will be, you can directly pass max, means the method name. Inside that, you need to pass the variable name. And for the mean also same. So now if I'm going to print the max of L and mean of L, directly I need to find that particular the maximum value and the minimum value in the particular list. Okay, guys, just see the maximum value will be 999 and the minimum value will be 0. That will available in our list. Then the next method will be join method. Guys, it was so important whenever we are doing some coding also, we are using this join method. Okay, so what is this join, guys? Join method is used to join the list of substring. Means whenever we have a list of substring are there, now we are going to join that particular things. Then in that case, make sure that whenever we have list of substring only, you cannot keep it like that list of integer, means every time it will be having the list of substring only. Okay, this method is used to join the list of substring to a string by using glue character. Okay, what is this glue character? I just want to tell you. Guys, glue character is nothing but at that time what character you are using. If you are using a space, you can make sure that a space. If you are using any special character, you can use that. But means at that time, whatever the character you want to join, means if you are telling that, if you are take an example, if I want to take thousands of people, now I need to make a connection there. So I need to give a rope to them. Means at that time that rope will be treated like a glue character. Okay, just like that. Okay, so the return type of join is string. Okay, because in the string only it will be joining. Okay, for the syntax will be it will be taking the glue character dot join method inside that parenthesis you need to pass the variable name. So I need to change the string because inside the string I need to only the substring only. So here I am taking L of A, B, C, again D. Now I want to print that particular thing. So how to do that? Here I need to take my glue character at the rate join. Okay, inside that I need to pass my variable. Now if I'm going to run this one, guys, just see it will be give me A join with glue character, B join with glue character. Here if I'm taking a space, it will be taking like that only, space of that. Okay, means you can give any type of glue character. Okay, now if somebody wants to destroy the functionality, means here I am taking 11, 22, okay, 33. Now in that case, my glue character will be space. If I'm going to run this one, so it will be throwing me an error because you cannot give any number. It will be only accepting the instance, means string instance. If you are giving them the int, so it will be not taking that particular things. Make sure that whenever you are going to give them, you need to give only substrings only. Okay, not give that particular integer. Okay, then the last method for this session will be reverse. Okay, for this session will be reverse. Guys, reverse will be nothing but it it is used to reverse all element. Okay, so I'll need to give that. Okay, so this method is used to reverse all the element in the list. If you want to reverse whatever the means the opposite one, okay, the changes will be happening in the existing memory location. The changes will happen in the existing memory only. Okay, guys, the return type will be none. Okay, if you are going to print this one, it will be returning the none. And for this syntax will be variable name dot reverse method. That's it. Okay, now we are going to apply on that. So I need to take this list. Okay, now I want to reverse that particular things. So directly I can give the variable name L dot reverse. Okay, inside that you don't need to pass anything. Now if I'm going to run this one, it will be not affecting anything because I don't print. Now if I'm printing this one, it will be give me the output in the reverse order. Okay, now if I'm going to print this one, the return type will be none only, so it will be returning me the none. Okay guys, just see, it will give me the none. Okay guys, so that's all for this session. Thanks for watching. Try right.